It's time to remove this rear fender and get this painted on this Elsinore. We'll work on the rear tail light as well. Alright, I'm looking at this wiring. Somebody's been in here already, as you can tell. We've got these green leads, and this one's actually labeled. Looks like it's going out to the turn signals. That's good. I don't even know. I might have labeled that. I don't understand this. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape over it. I don't know what the significance of the yellow is, because you have a brown to brown lead. We're going to leave that. This one I'm going to label. I'm going to label this one green. It's a green yellow stripe. That's how they do it on a diagram. So looking around at this thing, it's looking like I need, because this rear tail light lens actually bridges this fender. I've got to yank this tail light lens off here. Disconnection of our wiring. And we are free. Not that familiar with these Hondas. I'm going to assume that it's just these 2 points now. Yeah. All right, we're free. So a couple things to note. Got a little damage here. Looks like it had a collar in there or something. No, it's not too bad. We can hide that. But I am going to have to make some kind of template to identify where this goes exactly. Obviously this Pennsylvania sticker has to go. But now it's time to clean this fender up. So we're just at the kitchen sink now, little Dawn, and we have to clean this thing. You need to clean it up really well with the plastic, and I'll show you what I do on my plastic before I paint it later on in the video. So I've got this Goo Gone, this Pro Power, and it's like a gel. It's good stuff. The only disadvantage to it is that you have to let it sit. So what we're going to do is spray this thing and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So we're going to dissolve this rust on the back with this Rust-Oleum rust dissolver. This is good stuff. You're not going to believe what it does for this. It takes a lot of work out of it. All you have to do is literally just spray it. And it's a gel format also. If you look in there, it's unbelievable how nice that is. And I will probably polish this with some mothers. I'm going to throw some filler primer on this thing, make it a lot easier. right, let's put some silver on this rear fender. We're just going to give it a dusting. Second coat. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. And we'll see what I can do about this exhaust system next. Take these dents out of here. I have no idea how to do it, so it should be interesting.